Hello guys, hi Tech Pro GH. And then we have a kwan a wobɛfa so create Facebook account with your mobile phone. So only Facebook account so kwan a wobɛfa so create ebi ɛwɔ phone so. Because ebi awo account dada wopɛ sɛ wo create foforɔ ka ho. Ɛho hia sɛ wobɛ delete dada no. Hia sɛ wobɛfa wo mobile phone na wa follow steps na mede bɛma wo no. Wobɛ create foforɔ aka ho. Wobɛtumi use Google Chrome or Facebook app no a create. Bɛyɛ na yɛbɛ use Facebook app no. Aha yɛ Tech Pro GH. Channel papa yɛaba sɛ yɛbɛboa wo ama wa make sika online through your social media platforms.
So what app na who click on the app ebe load na ba. This is the old pages amewo. Facebook account amewo. Nti you go create new account. Now I type one create new account. I already have an account. Get started. Now I click get started. Wabo the first name Dominic. Wabo first name. Surname Kwa. Wabo next. Date of birth. Now I select this date of birth. Date of birth. January 16th. Date of birth. Set. Wabo next. Oyoba. Either you are female or male. I will choose male. Next. Phone number. Enter the phone number on which you can be contact. No one will see this on your profile. How about next? Create a password. Create a password. Create a password. Save. My save login. Agree to Facebook terms and policies. The people who use our service may have upload your contact information to Facebook by typing I agree. You agree to create an account and to Facebook terms, privacy, policy, and so let's go to agree. Yes, I find my account. No, I create new account. Yes, log in as no. Let me go back. Create new account. Creating new account. Add a picture. This is a let me post this picture. Let me add this as a picture. Done. Welcome to Facebook, Dominic. Turn on. Not now. escape, turn on. Then you see remember add it friends into 5 added. But may escape. May add it for now. Escape. This is my new account. It's my new account.